room looks good, clean, modern, nothing technically wrong, but it doesn't feel finished. Most people would assume it needs a full redesign. It doesn't. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a room that almost looks right without starting over. Hi, I'm Sasha from homedesigns.ai and we're going to evolve this space step by step. This is a modern living room with great bones, clean lines, good lighting and neutral finishes, but right now it feels flat. There's no real focal point, no warmth and no real visual hierarchy. The goal isn't to redesign the entire room, it's to make small intentional changes that help the space finally feel complete. This is actually a strong starting image. The lighting is soft and even, the perspective is clear, and the layout already works. The furniture placement is fine, which is exactly why this room feels almost right. That makes it perfect for evolving instead of replacing. So the first thing I look for in a room like this is structure. And here the issue is obvious. There's no real visual anchor. The TV wall should be the focal point, but right now it's just, well, blank. Before we do anything else, I want to clear up distractions. So the first thing I'm doing is uploading this image into the furniture remover tool, and I'm going in with the automatic selection so it highlights the shelf for me, and once I click generate, it will remove it. Now we have a clean wall to work with. Now comes the decision that will define the entire room, an accent wall, but only behind the TV. We're not touching the left wall. We want contrast, not chaos. I'm using the Magic Redesign tool and testing different wall ideas using simple text prompts. So accent wall, option 1 is marble. So this is the prompt I'm using. Keep the layout the same, add a grey and white marble accent wall only behind the TV. Modern, clean, subtle veining. This instantly adds elegance and a focal point without adding furniture. And accent wall option 2 is stone. So keep the same structure, just add a stone accent wall behind the TV. Natural, textured and warm. This one feels more grounded. And finally, accent wall option 3, wood decking. So keep everything the same, just add vertical wood slat decking behind the TV. This adds warmth, especially good for minimalist spaces. Now just to compare, I'll quickly recreate the same marble accent wall using Precision Plus. So I'm going in with the automatic selection to select the wall behind the TV, and I'm refining it manually with the paintbrush. Then I'm inserting in this prompt in the additional instructions, and I'm going to select generate and just look at the result. This is where Precision Plus shines with exact control. But for fast exploration and idea testing, Magic Redesign gets you there instantly. Let's stick with this marble accent wall design. One thing that still feels unresolved is the TV wall. Yes, the marble gives us a focal point, but the wall still feels top heavy. So instead of adding decor, we're going to balance the wall vertically. This is where a fireplace makes sense. I'm not adding a fireplace to be dramatic. I'm adding it because the TV needs visual weight under it. So I'm using the Precision Plus tool to highlight the bottom of the accent wall because this is where I want the fireplace to go. And in the additional instructions, I am using this prompt. So just add a long linear fireplace under the TV on the accent wall. Next problem. This left area near the TV still feels empty. So let's explore a few options with the Magic Redesign tool. Option 1, let's add a floating shelf with books. This is the prompt I'm using. So this adds life without clutter. Just look at the results. Option 2, let's try adding some wall art. So this is the prompt I'm using, very simple, and here are the results. So this makes the room feel more curated and expressive. Neither is right or wrong. It depends on how minimal you want the space to feel. Let's just go with the floating shelves design. Now, the biggest issue in this room is that the room feels like it's floating. So I'm adding a neutral modern area rug and using the Magic Redesign tool. Next, let's add a round coffee table with a white marble top and natural mango wood legs in front of the sofa. Keep the style modern and minimal and integrate it naturally into the existing living room scenario to anchor the seating. Immediately, this room feels livable. Last detail is the cushions. They're fine, but we can elevate them. I'm using the colors and textures tool to change the cushions. So I'm going in with the automatic selection, so it selects the cushions, and I'm refining the selection with the manual selection. Let's go for a top color, a small but powerful change. And just to show you how flexible this space really is, I'll reimagine the exact same room in different styles using the Magic Redesign tool. So here is the design in Scandinavian, light woods, soft textures. And now in Japandi, minimal, warm and calm. Quiet luxury, so here the materials are richer, there's more contrast. And finally, coastal modern. The same room, same structure, completely different styles. We didn't overhaul the room, we refined it, and that's the difference. So the key takeaways are that rooms that almost work usually need focus, not replacement. One strong decision beats 10 small random ones, especially when it comes to interior design. Evolving a space keeps what works and fixes what doesn't. This is why fixing a room is often better than redesigning it from scratch. If you've got a room that almost feels right, try this exact workflow. Just start with one image, make one structural decision, then layer in details, and see how far it can take you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.